Hello, I hope you're having a great day. Look at all this fog. I actually had to roll down my windows on the way here because I was like, I need to be able to see, and there's all this condensation on the windows. And so I was like, well, I'll roll them down and I'll drive here with my windows down. But yeah, it was kind of difficult to see. If a car didn't have lights today, they might be in trouble. But anyway, I got all of my little mini bouquets delivered to the coffee shop, and I love walking in there because when I walk in there, there's customers and there's the people in the store are just so down to earth and so nice. And everybody's like, oh, look at the pretty flowers. And it just puts a smile on your face right away because people are being kind and you're saying thank you, and it just makes the day start off right. So that's awesome. And now I'm going to get to harvesting because I need to get flowers ready for my florist. So I'll try to remember to take some pictures. I have a couple hours that I can do some harvesting before I have to hit the road. So I'm off to the florist in my little Civic. This is what it looks like. Lots of flowers. Yay! It's funny because I have this little Civic and it's a little farm car, so it's filthy and gross and dirty. But it gets great gas mileage, so I love it. I can like zoom around. I don't spend much in gas. Like all the gas prices are going up. People have big vehicles. I have a little manual. It's a little stick shift in the middle of the sunflowers. And it gets like 42 miles to the gallon or something similar. Sometimes I think it's 39, sometimes it's up, depends on all the things. So anyway, here I go. And they know my little black car. I think they laugh because it's usually scroungy and dirty, but it's filled with beautiful things. So, this is kind of a mess. You remember I had weeded up to the pine trees, but it's been over a month ago, and I never got this done. So now I'm going to try to get the weeds out of here. I think I'm going to start down with these white flowers, though, first, because they have the most seeds and make the biggest mess and keep coming back every year. And then I will work my way. I don't know, though. I kind of want to pull all these grasses because they're hideous, too. It's just a mess. So the day got away from me. I made that bouquet and I ran it back to town, and then I was thinking about what bulbs I need to still order. I know I put my tulip order in, but I'm thinking of adding alliums to the farm. I was just trying to decide where I would add them because The one field where I thought I might add them, I think it's just too wet of an area and the bulbs will rot. So I'm trying to think of another place I might be able to put alliums out there. And that kind of just took my day away from me. But I got another order for a florist for tomorrow morning. They needed more flowers. I guess everybody was loving my flowers and they just kept getting orders for them. So that is awesome. I'm so happy that they keep pushing my flowers. It's amazing. And then I got an order for a wedding designer for flowers because they want like zinnias and different types of flowers that I have. So she put a big order through, and that is on Thursday. So I have big orders to fulfill the next 2 days. Then I'll have the farmer's market. So it looks like it's going to be a really busy week. So since I'm already in town, I'm going to call it a day. I didn't get to those weeds. Maybe I'll never get to the weeds. The winter should kill them at least. And then maybe next year I can pick them when they're little. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But anyway, it's a short video, but that was pretty much my day. I harvested, ran some to the florist, got back, made a bouquet, ran it to town, and now I'm trying to think about where I might put alliums out at the farm and look to putting in another allium order. I also had to put in another seed order, so getting things done. I hope everybody has a fantastic day, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one.